Since January of this year, more than 400 anti-LGBTQ+ laws have been introduced at the state level. That number is rising and demonstrates a trend that could be dangerous for service members, their families, and the readiness of the force as a whole. When I look at potential candidates, say for Squadron Command, I strive to match the right person to the right job. I consider their job performance and relevant experience first. However, I also look at their personal circumstances, and their family is also an important factor. If a good match for a job does not feel safe being themselves and performing at their highest potential at a given location, or if their family could be denied critical health care due to the laws in that state, I am compelled to consider a different candidate and perhaps less qualified. Those barriers are a threat to our readiness, and they have a direct correlation to the resiliency and well-being of our most important operational advantage, our people. The Department of Defense's success depends on getting the most from every person on the team. Each team member deserves, at a minimum, to be treated with respect and dignity and to serve in an environment which they can grow and thrive. The diverse and inclusive tapestry of the Department of Defense must continue to embrace the LGBTQ+ community. A 2022 poll showed that almost 20% of the people born between the years of 1997 and 2004 identify as LGBTQ+. That means without proper policies, messaging, and allies, we are potentially alienating 20% of the key demographic and age group that we are looking for to recruit. And remember, the DoD is experiencing recruiting shortfalls across the entire enterprise. Diversity and inclusion are both force multipliers and warfighting imperatives that enable our competitive advantage against adversaries. We must be able to draw from the best and brightest talent across our nation to develop and retain a force comprised of backgrounds, experiences, and skill sets as diverse as the challenges we face as a nation. To get after this in the Space Force, for example, we ask each Guardian to embody the Guardian spirit. The Guardian spirit is a collective representation of what it means to be a member of the United States Space Force. Those with the Guardian spirit are principled public servants, possessing character beyond question. They are space-minded warfighters committed to mastering the profession of arms. Guardians are bold and collaborative problem solvers, exemplifying the courage to debate new ideas and continually challenge the status quo. They connect with teammates to experiment, fail, learn, adapt, and innovate, no matter the challenge. The Guardian spirit says nothing about which bathroom they use or which gender or sex they are.